Hello everyone. Welcome to this week tutorial by Metaverse DNA. Today you will learn how to create an avatar on Metaverse blockchain. Avatars are part of our public chain digital identity offering. They will allow you to log in to websites or applications in a fully decentralized manner. Let's get started. Head out to mbs.org. Click on the Wallet tab. Here, you will see several options including mobile and desktop apps. Note that some of these require you to run on a full Metaverse node to function. We will select the web option. This is our light wallet, easy to use and navigate. Now you can create your new wallet. Make sure you write down your backup words and store them in a safe place. A piece of paper is recommended. You will be able to use those words to log in into your wallet from any browser in the future. Once you did that, click Next. After you enter your password, a file will save in your downloads. Click Next and upload this file. Great! You have now successfully created your wallet. Pick one address and submit it to our team to be able to proceed. We will send you one ETP token which you will need to create your avatar. Now go ahead and click on the menu. Then click Avatar. Follow the instructions and choose an original name. Select the ETP address and click Continue. Congrats! You now have your own avatar.